Hello everyone. Many of you requested for the English content. So this is our first English video in which we are going to teach you about how you can start your freelancing and accounting journey. So the video is a part of complete English playlist series which we will cover about QuickBooks, about Xero, about US accounting. So in today's video, we are going to teach you how you can start your freelancing journey. And you can also check our playlist for QuickBooks, Xero and freelance accounting. Let's begin our today's video. So how you can start your freelancing journey. Related to freelancing journey, the first question which came up to your mind is why US accounting, why you should go for US accounting. So if you go for a US accounting, you can check that there are so many opportunities available. There are so many bookkeeper jobs available. If you go to Upwork, you go to Fiverr, if you go to LinkedIn, so there are so many accounting opportunities in which you can apply. There are so many small business and medium sized business where you can apply as a remote bookkeeper. You can start your remote accounting journey with your Wi-Fi and with your computer. So what is the rate you can expect if you are working as a remote bookkeeper? So if you are working as a remote bookkeeper, you can expect $8 to $15 per hour if you are a beginner. With experience, you can expect that your rate will be increased. Most US companies use two software, that is QuickBooks and Xero. So if you want to start your journey, you can start with QuickBooks and Xero. So what you need to learn if you want to start your freelance accounting journey? So first you need to learn about basic accounting. So in basic accounting, what you can learn about debit and credit. You can learn about balance sheet preparation and income statement preparation. You can learn about bank reconciliation, and also you can learn all of these from the YouTube video. So if you want to learn all of these, you can subscribe our channel because we have made so many videos about basic accounting skills. After this, you need a 2-3 weeks of consistent practice, and then you can easily learn all of these skills. And the second thing which you can learn if you want to start your career as a freelance accountant, that is QuickBooks. So most of the companies in USA are using QuickBooks. Almost 5 million users of QuickBooks are available. So there are massive demand of QuickBooks user. You can learn in QuickBooks about how to set up a company, how to post a transaction, how to do a reconciliation in QuickBooks, and how to post invoices and generating reports. So you can learn all of this, and if you want to learn all of these, QuickBooks have a free trial facility. So you can get a 1 month free trial from QuickBooks, and you can practice all of these in the QuickBooks account. And also don't forget about to getting the QuickBooks certification. And after this, the next step you can do is you can do the Xero. So Xero is the second most popular software. You can learn Xero. Like similar to QuickBooks, in Xero you can also learn about how to do the setup, how to do the invoicing, how to do the bank feed. So you can learn all of these. So after 1 or 2 weeks of practice in QuickBooks and Xero, you can become a basic expert and you can handle a bookkeeping task. After this, the next topic which you can learn, that is about basic taxes. So related to basic taxes, you can learn about understanding basics only. That means you can learn about LLC, how to work with LLC, how to work with corporation, how to file 1099 form, and also you need to learn how to do the business expense, and you should also have knowledge about the tax deadlines. Bookkeeping is enough for you if you want to start your freelancing journey. Then later on you can learn about the taxation work. After doing all the certification and all, you can do the next step. The next step is creating your profile. So you can create your profile on Upwork and Fiverr, and also create your profile on LinkedIn. Keep your profile simple and mention about your QuickBooks skill on your profile. Also in your profile, you can mention about your skill related to bookkeeping, related to reconciliation, and related to report generation. And after that, the next step is pricing, how you can set the pricing. So if you are a beginner and you only want to work only for review, because when you are starting your freelancing journey, review is required. So you can start your journey with $5 per hour, and then you can increase your rates. And always try to keep your proposal simple, and always read about the client requirement, and always try to write your proposal according to the client's requirement. So what type of service you can offer? You can do the monthly bookkeeping work, you can do the bank reconciliation, cleanup task, creating invoice, monthly report, And after having experience, you can also do the full QuickBooks Xero setup. You can give the training to the business owner, you can do the payroll work, and you can also do the taxation work like the sales tax in USA, and also you can manage the tax preparation reports, and also you can do the taxation for the IRS. My advice for you is practice more than you think you need, and always create fake companies and post that fake companies entry in your QuickBooks and Xero. And communication is the key, so respond fast and update client, and keep learning 20 to 30 minutes daily. After your first good reviews, momentum start and you will start finding your freelancing client. So that's how you can start your freelancing and US accounting journey, and this is the part of our complete English playlist series. So more tutorial on QuickBooks, Xero and taxes are coming. Comment your next topic requests, subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Let's grow together.